I want to give you one more exercise that you can do to help with stress relief. Everyone I'm talking to right now is kind of on the edge where they're feeling like, oh, I've been cooped up so long. And there's good reason for it. In the winter season, we are meant to hunker in and to constrict a little bit. We go deep within. It's great time for meditation, great time to get pregnant and be pregnant because we're hunkering in, we're turning within. In the spring months, it is about moving forward. It's about taking action after months of being in that respite, months of being in that turn in idea creation. Now we're ready to launch our ideas. Well, this spring has been pretty different for most of us. And so having to stay at home at a time when we're ready to launch our ideas forward can be really stressful and challenging for people. So I want to give you another thing that you can do. This time we're going to create some crossovers and we're going to be using our hands on our head. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to invite you, you're going to take the palm of your hand right here and you're going to be placing it on your eyebrows. I'm going to actually turn sideways so you can see. So I'm putting my hands right here and I'm letting my hand just simply fold over. And I'm actually kind of pushing up a little bit because it feels good to me. With this hand, I am now going to wrap my hand around it. So I am creating a nice crossover pattern. Now, I want to point out some things. Where I'm holding with the second hand is actually also connecting to some really important neural lymphatics like kidney. It's connecting to some great meridians like triple warmer. So it's really helping calm things down. At the same time, that crossover pattern I have with my arms is also crossing over. Now I've got my right hand on my forehead and you can switch hands. So let's bring our left hand up. Again, I'm putting the base of my hand right on my forehead. I'm just letting my fingertips fold over. I'm bringing my other hand over, creating a crossover. I'm giving myself a bit of an energetic hug. Now let's go ahead and take some nice deep breaths in. I'm going kind of fast. I like to breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Now, if you allow yourself 3 to 5 minutes to do this, or even longer if you have the time, what it's going to do is bring energy to the forebrain. It's going to help you bring some of that oxygen and blood levels back. It's going to bring oxygen back up to the forebrain. It's going to help the blood flow, and it's going to help calm you down. When we're crossing over, we're actually creating that crossover pattern, which is so important for the energy to move properly. We're always working in beautiful figure eights and beautiful crossovers, and it really helps your energy when you can do that. Under stress, that pattern stops. So we're really creating a multitude of things happening all at once in one simple exercise. My name is Kelly Goetz, and I want to thank you for learning with me. And until I see you again, I am wishing you an infinite love and gratitude day. Bye-bye.